The forms you're having your people fill out in SharePoint lists and Microsoft lists, you know what? They're straight trash. But they don't have to be. Stick around, I'll show you how to turn this trash into treasure.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Okay, let's get that timer rolling. All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go in here and you're gonna go click on that forms button and you're gonna say create a new form, and then you're gonna go here and add a title. You'll say new form, and basically you're gonna go ahead and add yourself a logo, and you're like, boom, there you go, there's the logo. And then you're gonna be like, oh, let me just go take a look at the customization, and we'll look at the themes here and see what's popping. Oh, look, ooh, change the color. Ooh, that looks snazzy. Or I can create my own style. Ooh, look, I'm gonna get an orange button and orange stuff. There you go. Ooh, save changes. Preview. You wanna see how that bad boy looks? Ooh, look at the logo. Look at that cool background. Oh, look at the orange button. Oh, look at the checkbox. It turns orange. Boom, you did the thing. Okay, let's slow it down a little bit and walk through this step by step. And before we do that, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about this. Are you using it? And we appreciate you. So let's get on with the detailed explanation. So one of the cool things about these forms is that you can make them more visually appealing. And let's start with the logo. So whatever logo you want, you can add that up here, and you can delete it. If you hover over it, click on the trash can, delete it, add logo, find your image that you want to go with, and boom, there's your logo. Makes it look super fancy. You can change the name of it. You can rewrite the names of these columns if you want. So there's a lot of customization you can do here to make your forms pop out and stand out. Now, the other thing that we talked about are the themes. So if you go into themes, you can adjust the background color. Here are some default themes for you. So a theme is comprised of the background color and the color of the buttons and like your checkboxes and your toggles. So you can see here, this one has like green with a green button theme. Here we've got like, I don't know, bluish and purplish with a blue button. So if I change this, see it's saving the changes. And now I scroll down and you can see my checkbox here is blue. If I go here, it's now purple. We go here, you can see what's going on. Maybe you don't like any of these prefab themes and you want to go with your own color scheme. Well, you can click on create your own style. And then we have the backgrounds you can choose from. So choose your background, and then we have the theme color again, which is like the button and the fill and your check boxes. So we can hit the drop down. We go with the black, the greenish, whatever, orange, what have you. So there you go. This is how you can adjust your form to your liking and have it pop out, and then you can create forms and have them look like a rock star. All right, with that, I appreciate you all. Again, please like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think about this in the comments. Are you using it? Have you used it? Have you found any gotchas? What do you think? And what other videos do you want to see next? So with that, do the very best you can with what you got. And remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't